In this video, I will show how to calculate the total number, average number, and percentage number. First, I will add the total number. Here write equal, fast brackets, and then sum. Then select the numbers. Then press Enter from the keyboard. Now your total numbers are added. Now see how to calculate the average number. Here type equal, fast bracket, then write average. Now select the numbers that you want to find the average number. Then press Enter from the keyboard. These are your average numbers. Now see how to find the percentage number. I will divide total marks by full marks and multiply 100 to get the percentage. First number slash second number. Then multiply 100. Then press Enter from the keyboard. These are the percentage numbers of your total number.